MRS series. So I plan on definitely doing that next year. Time.
Dude, this thing is awesome. So like, tell me a little bit about it. I know I just started filming. Is it okay if I film, by the way?
Fine.
Okay, dude, because this is like awesome. So you said you had it for 4 years.
Yes.
It started off as an LS, which is
bone stock.
Was it
Integra LS model?
Did it have any rust issues? I know sometimes a lot of these cars had rust issues on the hatches of them.
This car had a little bit of rust on the roof, but recently before we wrapped it, we took care of all the bodywork.
Got you. So I'm assuming did it have the B series in it? That's what these came with, right?
It was a stock B series, non-VTEC, automatic. The car was automatic.
Dang. So excuse me, I don't know too much about Hondas. I'm assuming, is this a K series?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
K24, full K24, bone stock. Typical bolt-ons, oil pump, cam gear, K2 stuff, Hassport stuff, just all the basic needs to K-swap your car.
Yeah, and it's all NA.
Yes.
All NA. Dude, I bet it screams and sounds amazing.
It's fun, but I blew the transmission like twice here. This is a 02 to 04 Acura RSX type.
Oh, okay. Got it. Dang, this thing is so nice. And this engine bay just looks beautiful. It's like all shaved and all stuck, tucked and everything. Was that a difficult process?
It took about a year because I did it with me and my buddy, Chris from Everyday Struggle Customs. We put the car in the shop and we just went at it.
Okay,
It took
dang.
about a year. It was a good process, but the end result was worth it.
Was it a learning experience the whole time out?
For me, for sure, for bodywork, yeah.
I see. Was it the first time you do something like that?
To do an engine bay, yeah. It was kind of like getting in the tight places to stand and stuff, but it worked out. So.
Yeah, and so as for suspension, I mean, I'm assuming, I know these things had legendary suspension with a double wishbone and everything. Is it just coilovers? Did you do arms as well?
As of right now, there is MPC Motorsport rear control arms and a function set and rear subframe brace, and just K2 and K1.
That is crazy.
Everything else is just stock, like the upper control arms and kits is all stock right now.
That is that's what I love about these cars. You don't have to be plagued with suspension issues. I know that I'm more of a Lexus and Toyota person, so I have an SC. And I know with my car, dude, I have to restore the whole subframe. All the bushings were rubber and are all rotted and worn out.
I mean, depending on how the previous owner took care of the car, if it was a garage kept or, I mean, stuff like that happens to these cars as well. But I got lucky enough to where a lot of the bushings on the control arms, the lower control arms stuff was pretty fresh.
Yeah, no, dude, this looks so beautiful, man. So beautiful. And so what's your main goal with the car? Do you just want to stay NA for the whole life of the car?
Pretty much. That's a big goal of mine. I've been thinking about supercharger, but never thinking about going a nice turbo or anything.
Yeah.
These transmissions are like glass, man, and the way that I drive it, I'm from Jersey, so.
Yeah, okay, yeah. That explains a lot.
The way that I drive it and where I drive it, it's not really like something that I want for the car.
Yeah,
Plus, if I want to do grid life, I want to do Club TR and stuff, so I don't want to turbo the car.
So you do want to do grid life with this? That's like the end goal for it.
Yes.
It fits the part already. Now, this looks awesome. Is this cage just a bolt-in cage?
This is a bolt-in auto-power cage. You can buy it online. They have it for a lot of Civics and Hondas. I believe they have some for other cars as well, but I know that a lot of Honda guys, this is the go-to cage because it works.
Yeah, it works, you know? Yeah. And I'm sure it's rigid as well, rigid enough to withstand anything.
That flipped their car over with this cage and it did its job.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's really good.
Known for their stuff.
Yeah, this looks awesome, and I love how you color matched it. So who helped you out with that?
Quick Strip over in Carteret, New Jersey. Got the powder coating done for me on the cage. Threw it in. We did like a silver, greenish kind of tone to it to match with the engine bay and the color of the car.
Yeah.
The car used to be silver. The car is wrapped.
Oh, it's wrapped, dude. That's an amazing job. I thought it was paint the whole time.
The car is actually wrapped from my dad did it. My dad did it.
That's awesome. And you know what's funny here? Let me move my tripod out the way. Honestly, it fits so well with the silver engine bay. I would have never noticed that like it never registered because it just fit all so smoothly.
Yeah, when we were wrapping it, I was like, I don't know if I like the two-tone. But once the car all came together and I kind of made it flow better, like I was like kind of stoked that I had this,
yeah.
You know?
And so does it really feel like go-karty around the track?
It does. It does. Before it was a little sluggish, but then I added a rear sway bar and a front sway bar, and it feels so much better. And that's why this winter I plan on, when I can take the car back up north, do all the suspension stuff. Like
and did you?
kits, upper control arms.
Damn, dude, that's gonna be awesome. And the adjustability is nice if you do want to do grid life. You know, since you're constantly changing tracks. So you just trailered it from up north, up and down?
I did trailer it.
Gotcha.
I trailered it to here in Orlando. then I took it to Miami from Tuner Evo yesterday, and I just drove it back last night to come.
Dang, from Miami? Yeah. So what was the 4-hour drive in this with that bucket seat?
That's not that bad.
Really?
It's pretty comfortable.
What?
Yeah. I actually almost fell asleep last night driving it.
Okay, that's a little dangerous. Dude, and I love this interior as well. See an award out there, so what's that from?
Oh, Tuner Evo yesterday. I got best.
Oh, you got that yesterday?
Yeah.
Dude, congrats.
Thank you.
Dude, I mean, well deserved. Well deserved.
Yeah.
I love your interior, man. You know, you sit in a car, you're looking forward. I love that what you're looking at feels stock, but behind you, it's all race car. You know, I love that, and this just looks awesome. I love this bracing that you have here.
The X bar back here, it bridges the chassis a little bit.
Yeah, so you have two different sets of bars then.
Yeah,
so you have the green one, which is the cage, and then you have this is just for chassis rigidity. Yeah, because I know these like to buckle a good amount.
They have a lot of, like these specifically, I believe, have a lot of body roll as well. So
Yeah.
to put the next thing will be a brace in the front, like a strut brace and engine bay. But other than that, like, it's all stuff I'm gonna do over the winter.
Yeah.
Back up the
Oh yeah, dude. So do you live down here in Florida or no? So you're just down here visiting? Like you have family here though, or?
No. I mean, I got a couple of friends here, but
Dang, what?
me and my uncle do a lot of car transporting, so we come down here all the time. So about a month ago, I had the opportunity to put the car in the trailer, and I wanted to go to Tuner Evo. I wanted to come to this, so I was like.
So how long? So you just stay with friends and everything here? That's sick, dude. That sounds like so much fun, bro. Is this genuine Jay's Racing too?
Yeah.
Dude, that is sick, man. That is awesome.
Thank you so much.
Dude, this is so cool. About those wheels, tell me a little bit about them.
Volk C28, 16x8 plus 28, wrapped in R888s.
Dude, the bronze with the green looks beautiful, man. Again.
I was contemplating, well, this next year for sure, like these wheels have been on the car for 3 years already. So I'm thinking about switching it up for next year for the track because I
Gotcha.
want to beat these up.
Yeah, got you. And so are you still on you're not on stock brakes. Are these actually stock brakes? Damn, they're pretty big. Dang, they're actually pretty big. Oh, well, they're the stock Type R ones. Yeah. Dude.
The LS ones are probably the size of my fist.
Yeah, they are, yeah. Man, this is beautiful, dude.
Thank you.
I know I keep saying that.
No, yeah.
It's just a constant, like, oh, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, dude. So congratulations on this, dude. Sincerely. What's that shifter from? Just K-tuned?
It's a K-tuned race spec, billet box. Nothing really much to it.
Yeah.
It looks cool. I like
It does look really cool.
It definitely bridges the shifting a little bit. And you could adjust the throw.
Oh, okay. Do these have like a ton of throw? Oh, wait, like from factory?
The OEM boxes aren't that bad. But if you really want to notch it and bring it down a little bit more, there's a couple boxes out there that you can buy.
Yeah.
That I think there's a lot of good companies that make shifter boxes for these cars.
Man,
for the case swaps.
This is really nice, dude. R888s, huh?
Yep.
Dang, son. Holy crap.
I'm thinking about switching to Falcons next year. So.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Make sure to put that plug in. Maybe you get that sponsorship, dude. Imagine, dude.
Might be in the works already.
Oh, dude, that'd be so sick. Congrats on all your hard work, man. I really appreciate seeing things like this, and I'm glad that you allowed me to film it for a bit. Because who knows? Maybe you might be in SEMA next year, something like that. Who knows, dude? Maybe sponsorships come in straight, put it on the trailer, go straight to Las Vegas, dude. This is awesome. So thank you so much for showing me this. What's your name, man?
Nick.
Nick? My name's Angel. So it was nice to meet you, dude.